Okay, this video is going to demonstrate how to use the AutoCAD PDF plotter to save your drawing as a PDF for turning into this class. After you've completed your drawing and you're satisfied with the way that it looks, what you want to do is make sure that you have saved your drawing. So come up here and use the Save tool to save your drawing and make sure that it's saved in a location where you know where that is. Next, you need to access the plot dialog box. There's a few different ways to do that. You can go to the application menu and you can choose print. Okay, and when I choose print here, you'll see that there's a plot tool right there that you can choose. Or you can go to the quick access toolbar right up here at the top and you can use plot. Okay. Alternatively, you could simply type the word plot, P-L-O-T, at the command line, okay? Or you could do a Control P. All those different ways will bring up the plot dialog box. Once you're here, there's a few steps in order to make sure that in order to get this thing plotted the way you want it. So the first thing you're going to do is choose your plotter. And because we want to plot to a PDF, you are going to choose this DWG to PDF, this one right here. So you drop this down, and it might be set to something like none. It probably will be if you have not plotted before. So you'll drop this box down and scroll down, and very near the bottom, there is this option right here, DWG to PDF.PC3. That's the one you want. From there, you need to choose your paper size. For this assignment, we want this ANSI Full Bleed A. Okay, ANSI means that it's an American National Standard size. Full bleed means that you can plot all the way up to the edges of the paper if so desired. A is the size of the paper. An A size sheet is 11 by 8.5. Okay, so that's the one we want. The next thing you're going to choose is the extents. Okay, we want not to choose, I think it has display set as the default value. But we don't want to plot the display, we want to plot the extents. So you'll choose extents there. Next, you'll choose center the plot so that it centers the plot inside of the plot area. Okay, and it makes it all nice and neat on the paper there. You will next come in here and change the scale. If it is checked, if fit to paper is checked, you will uncheck that box and then you will drop this down and plot it at a scale of 1:1 so that it's full size or actual size on the piece of paper. And then lastly, come up here to the plot style table in the upper right hand corner. Again, it probably has none chosen, so you'll come down here and you'll choose the style table that says monochrome, which is going to give us an all black plot. When it asks you if you want to assign this plot style to all layouts, you can choose yes. Now, you don't just rush down here and choose OK. The next thing you want to do is come over here to the bottom left-hand corner and preview. Because if it does not look right on the preview, it is not going to look right when you get done. So if there's something wrong here, then you need to go back and figure out what's wrong with your drawing so that it looks right. But in this case, this looks right. So what I'll do now is, because this looks right, I can just go right back up here to the little plot. And it says that it's plotting my print or my file. It launches another dialog box and asks you where you want to send this file. I'm going to go ahead and just put it on my on my desktop because I know where that is. And I'll say, yeah, that's the name of it. It's the BC model. That's this one here. And I can say save that. And now it plots it. And it plots it to a file. So this is now a PDF file, okay, that I can submit through Canvas to complete this assignment.